This is a multifunctional gate. It's got the hinges up here, and then it's got this bar that's a U shape. It runs down across here, and then it runs back up over here, and it has a bar that goes all the way through with a lever to hold the gate shut. This lever right here. So if you undo that lever, the gate hinges from the top like an asphalt truck. And if you want to use the barn doors, you just keep that one latched that we just talked about, and then the barn doors are built inside the U that they built, and you would just use them as regular barn doors. These are little rods. I don't think they go all the way through. No, they're just welded in there just to hold the latches. They got this little U shape here that it fits into. I'm guessing these are like safety chains, or if you don't want the gate to come out as much when you hinge it from the top. And I think that's all you need to see.